So here's number 38. It is solving the equation with the quadratic formula, which is, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, and this whole thing is over 2a. So for our equation, a is 2, b is negative 1, c is negative 3. A is 2, b is negative 1, and c is negative 3. So let's plug in here. It equals negative 1, because negative b, plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 3. And let me get this all over that. And then the whole thing is over 2 times a, which is 2 times 2. Alright, so then simplifying, this is going to be 1 right here, plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared is 1, minus, let's see, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, and then negative 8 times negative 3 is positive 24, so this is actually plus 24. All over 2 times 2 is 4. Alright, so this is going to be 1 plus or minus the square root of 25 all over 4. So there's two answers here. X can be, sorry, I should simplify this though. It's 1 plus or minus the square root of 25 is 5. So it's got to be 1 plus 5 over 4. Over 4, which is, let's see, 6 over 4, which would simplify to 3 over 2, which is 1.5. So one of the answers has to be 1.5, and then the other answer would be 1 minus 5 over 4, which is negative 4 over 4 equals negative 1. So the answer would be B.